we are going to clean this one. So use a lens cleaner. Okay, so we use a Zeiss contact lens cleaner. It's easily available on Amazon, so it will work. So you can use assembly tissue or lens cleaning tissue. And you can also use microfiber cloth. Use a high quality microfiber cloth, will clean the lens. Be careful, be careful. It's very soft hand. Use a soft hand. If there is a dust particle, if you use a hard, you press hardly, if there is a dust particle, will scratch the lens. So smoothly clean, rub the element. Okay, you see the element is clean. Okay, that's it. So do subscribe. You see the quality. Lens is clean now. Thank you for watching.